The Chinese wok is the universal tool for cooking. It is possible to cook many different types of food in the Chinese wok. The round shape of the wok is perfect for the preparation of complex meals. In this wonderful video we can see the basic technique for the cooking in the Chinese wok. The basic ingredients are already cooked. The job of the cook is to mix the ingredients into the tasty combination of flavor and value. The cooking in the Chinese wok is often separated into different stages. The first stage is to boil the noodles. Then the meat of the chicken can be cooked in the vegetable oil. The cooked ingredients are placed into the fridge until they are required. The final regular step of the process is all about mixing of the different ingredients in the Chinese wok. The different people prefer a different taste. The cook can select the flavor of the meal for each individual customer. The wok is clean for every new customer, so that the taste is always fresh for every portion. The cooking in the Chinese wok is a hard manual process. The arms can get tired. The legs do get tired too. There are robots who do the mixing and turning of the ingredients in the Chinese wok. Those automatic cooks are often in the large kitchen in China. The only job of the cook is to select the ingredients and the amount of the spices. There are professional cooking stations for the restaurants, but it is also possible to cook in the Chinese wok at home. The basic technique and the movements are the same. The professional wok station can be more convenient for the cook, but the comfort of the home can help with motivation and creativity. The Chinese wok does require more space than the flat frying pan. The wok is larger. The portions can be larger too. There is less risk for accidents, and the wok is better for mixing of many different ingredients. The Chinese wok is a lot better for mixing than a flat frying pan. The Chinese food is different in every part of China. Some Chinese people eat more noodles, while other Asian people eat more rice. The fried Chinese rice is famous in all parts of the world. The taste of the fried rice is special because the Chinese wok can create a good taste with the large surface of the hot iron in the fried vegetable oil. The Chinese wok is perfect for the frequent movement of the fried rice. There is a large surface that can help to cook fried food faster and more effectively. The large fire can increase the speed of the cooking process. The cook can prepare more portions, and the restaurant can make more money or offer cheaper food for more customers. The cooking in the Chinese wok can seem to be complex. The magic is in the different steps and the preparation of the different ingredients before the final cooking for the customer. The ingredients are already cooked. The job of the cook is to create the taste. The rice, the egg and the noodles are the basic ingredients that accept any taste that the cook will offer. It is also possible to cook steamed food in the Chinese wok if there is a high lid for the wok. The Chinese people often eat steamed buns in the morning. They use the Chinese wok to boil the water, and they cook the Chinese buns in the steam above the water. The Chinese wok can be used for boiling water, for frying in the vegetable oil, for steaming in the steam, or for baking in the hot sand. This tool for cooking is universal and practical. The environment can change the result and the goal of our actions. The Chinese wok has a lot of influence in the Chinese kitchen. The wok is perfect for the food that is fast to prepare and fast to sell. The Chinese restaurants can prepare the food faster for their customers because the basic ingredients are already cooked and ready for the heating in the Chinese wok. This combination of speed and flexibility did create the famous style of the Chinese fast food for the people who want to buy a fast meal when they are hungry. The fried chicken rice is one of the most popular types of the Asian street food because the Chinese wok can enable this type of street food. Our tools change our abilities in the things around us. The Chinese wok did change the market for street food in Asia. Without the wok, the Asian food would be very different. We can be very happy that the Chinese wok is part of our world. Enjoy the cooking in your own kitchen and be nice to the people around you.